Versuch's mal hier. Lab testen.
Cool, hab schon 2 Lightning Launcher.
Smooth beer. Okay. Let's tweet it.
Yep,
How's the
first
sound?
bang.
Is it too loud or? Second. I will start when one villager is added to the queue. I will do it myself. All right. So the balancing has changed a little bit from last time. I don't know if it will be harder or more difficult. Let's go. Go, go!
And I believe legendaries now actually work.
Okay, we'll begin with a melee build. Go, go, go! It was most successful last time. So if you have questions, feel free to ask them in chat. Go, go, go!
Question is, does everyone have lightning?
After this round, we'll drop some launchers.
Let's see if I manage to do anything.
So what's new are these drops. So we changed our health system. From last week we now have 2 types of hearts, like Binding of Isaac, if you know that game. So... oh no. A lot of archers. This is a armor drop, which is a type of heart which does not regenerate unlike other types of hearts.
Yo, send out some vouchers.
I have a feeling my damage is way too high.
Did my airdrop work? Did anyone receive something from the airdrop? I paid for it at least. Ah, cool. Yeah, I would expect if 6 people are in the channel and you buy 10 vouchers that everyone would get one.
Holy shit. And I'm pretty low life. So the hero archers are pretty strong.
Chemical Flash, I believe you need to separate the attributes with commas and not spaces. So like Hound, comma, Elite, 2.
No.
No?
It's changed.
So both work now?
It's like you would expect, like in the command examples, which you can see on the right of my screen. You separate.
Oh, nice.
And if you have monsters on the field and you type in chat, the monsters will write out the message. Try that chemical flash now that you have answers. Now they're dead.
Wave power already. Oh, can you turn down the game music a little bit? Is MooBot a bot?
Yeah, it's a bot.
Okay. Then Nino, how do I use my voucher? You open the URL and then you enter the invoice and click pay. You can decode it. before paying to see what you're paying for. And yeah, you get an invoice by entering commands. Yo, look at what BR Robin just sent, or what I sent, like Archer to Elite, and then you get a whisper from Donnerlab with an invoice. Invoice starts with LNBC, whatever. That's the thing you have to post. You have to enter into the field at voucher.
Shit, I'm almost dead. Have a look at chat.
You're not getting an invoice in the whisper. Do
Should
you
one.
get
I will
anything?
write you.
Do you get anything? Okay. Yeah, maybe your command is wrong and you need to remove the commas. Yeah, I think the syntax changed, BR Robin. So it's not commas.
Yeah, the syntax is now space separated,
Nice.
like you can see in the examples above.
Top right, command examples.
And what you need to try is if you have monsters on the field and you write something in chat, the monsters will say it. So for me it will be easier to read your comments and questions. So since last week we changed balancing a lot and haven't really tried it out yet. So I think at the moment the beginning was way too easy and now it seems hard. However, the low level mobs seem to be way too weak. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah, these falcons are too easily destroyed by novas at the moment. As you can see. I think I would tune down the spell damage probably. Because it one-shots normal monsters now. I think falcons are pretty good if I'm too close up front, but I don't think I'm encouraged to walk up front yet.
What about the most high level mobs, most high level falcons?
They're just a little bit faster, but they're still
Weak.
Maybe I can have an idea how it can work.
Legendary.
So next time I'm dead, it's probably over. It's not called Bitcoin Cash, it's Bcash.
So looks like still the most successful player so far has been Wave AI. Probably we didn't spend enough.
I need a metric damage per Satoshi invested. Oh, a Falcon. Oh shit. 2 Falcons. Alright, let me... So, what do you think about the balancing? What should I change? I think in the beginning it was too easy and I did too much damage to low level units. So I would buff their HP.
Yeah, and something seems to be weird about the wave points. So my 5 legendary or whatever archers, they never got in because their wave power was too high in some.
Yeah, 5 legendary or hero archers would be
Well, this
60
oh,
wave points.
okay, I don't know. Is it possible to spawn more than 5 mobs?
Not in one group, you need to 2 requests. It's a UX thing. I think at the
Yeah, what's the plan to simplify that?
I don't know.
Lightning
your
Jewel
ideas.
integration or something?
What integration?
Lightning Jewel.
Yeah,
Lightning Jewel.
probably like a real website for sending monsters, but sending troops. Remove the Twitch chat UI. It's probably a good idea. Alright, so I buffed up the monsters a lot now. Just by raw HP. But now I will go for a range build. I don't know if... I think it's a lot weaker than melee.
Let me buy another drop for you guys.
Shit. Or maybe I added a 0 too much. 1 second. Okay, you have already sent in. Okay, this will be hard and long. Oh, let me just restart it. Sorry if someone sent. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry about your lost Satoshi.
Bought you some drops. Donner, you have the Donner weather web in your Donner Unity API. Why not build on that? What's that?
So it's where the Unity game will open a web server where it serves HTML invoices and yeah, but then the streamer would need to forward ports. So I don't know if that's a good experience.
Yeah, use Tor onion services.
Ah, okay. Now I fucked up. Shit.
Was that
Okay,
a normal Falcon?
they are invulnerable. So if you want to win, just send Falcons. Yeah, shit. Normal Falcons should be nice. If you have a monster on the field, you can write a text and speech bubble will appear.
I need to send better falcons.
Skill. I'm not doing my range build.
You know, sending champions. So right now it's a little bit hard to understand the troop tiers. So how do I know what is the best legendary champion?
Yeah, the best. So it's normal, elite, and then hero.
It's normal, elite, champion, hero,
No,
legendary.
there's no champion.
Okay.
It's normal, hero. It's normal, elite, hero.
So 5 falcons,
Okay,
hero.
chemical flash. Now that you have monsters on the field, you can send a chat message and they will appear. So if you send a lot, it should work right now. Test. So you should probably send some Twitch copy pastas if you have monsters on the field, which is what would probably happen with bigger streamers. Or it's my hope at least. Okay, now I have multi-shot. I think I will snowball now.
What's snowball?
Ah, okay. I think the elite Falcon is buggy, not the hero one.
You were saying it was harder this round?
I think right now I'm super strong against knights. But archers, if you would send a lot of like level 2 archers, elite archers, that would probably hurt me a lot.
Yo, let's send 5 elite archers.
Yeah, those are the buggy ones. Not complete.
Okay. I have no ethical problem sending 5 hero falcons. Ah, but I don't have vouchers. Guess I'm buying another airdrop.
Should probably nerf. I think I will up the movement speed of every monster. For me it's too easy to kite.
Yeah, unfortunately, our
Shit.
falcons are not selected because they have too much wave power for the round. The maximum wave power of the round is 37, and our falcons have 5 times 840. So in 3 waves,
You think I should increase the wave power increase per round? Per wave. So right now it's 2 wave power per wave. Or
no, not necessarily. Would be maybe reasonable to send a warning along with the invoice saying at the moment this won't appear, or it's the wave power is higher than the total wave power of the round or something.
wow. I should have upgraded multi-shot a long time ago.
Yeah, multi-shot is strong.
I actually like the Falcons, which have more HP. Buggy Falcons.
So far most souls taken still wave AI and then test LN player. Okay, this round looks strong. We.
I think I will increase the speed of the missiles. The arrows. No.
Andrew. Yes.
I think if you write exclamation mark channel.
The voucher page shows the node ID if that's what you're asking for. What's the second
Shit.
level?
Okay, I think I'm dead. It's over, guys.
Haha. I would say with AI.
No.
First place. Okay. What's the second level after?
Shit.
What's like the second? What's the second mob troop level?
So it's normal, elite, hero.
Elite hero. Okay. Yay, you earned 900 Satoshi. Congrats.
So I have. It's a bold. Correct. Yeah. So let's have a look at the damage. It's overall too high. Damage ideal. Especially snow.
Maybe it would be funny if the audience could vote on the specific build that you have to do.
Okay.
like restrict a tech tree.
Yeah, they should decide the tree maybe. How would you buff the knights? More damage, more lethal, or quicker?
I think the nicest part about these higher tier knights is that they are quicker. So you can just run away from them.
So I make them even quicker and the lower tier ones. Villagers were fine.
You can also maybe reduce the time that a hound is static on a single place, right? The time that a hound is charging. Maybe that makes
Yeah, we
them a
increase it
little
a bit more.
difficult.
But I think, okay, now now it looks super hard.
Back in a moment.
All right, let's go. So I think I will go. We'll look what agility does for me. Agility, strength, maybe. So stats wise, strength increases my maximum health and melee damage. Agility decreases attack speed or increase attack speed and reduces the dash cooldown, which is this. Intelligence increases range damage and mana regeneration. But I think we will remove mana from the game altogether.
Andrew, you would like to send from your wallet. What's the problem?
Shit, okay. I've
Just
made the
enter the
Falcons a
invoice.
little bit faster, they're strong now. Shit. We don't have a lot of life. And not a lot of mana.
Yeah, Wave AI is still the best player. Wave AI has the most money, I guess. Yeah, Chemical Flash, if that was supposed to end up in a speech bubble, then you need to keep in mind that there's like a 10-second latency between stream and chat.
Twitch sucks for live streaming actually.
Yeah, and also like it wouldn't show your whole invoice, but it would show part of your invoice if it would work. So you just have to send it a little bit earlier. Hounds are pretty good. I think it would make quite a difference if they wouldn't just everyone like pile up in a huge snowball, and it would be nicer if they would keep a little bit of a distance between themselves. Much harder to attack them.
Shit, no. I think I'm now in mid game. And I think it's too easy. I think I need lifesteal.
Zero DWS00, what do you want to know?
Shit.
Oh, Q returns to Q. Nice.
So strong archers now are really strong. Strong archers are strong.
What did you change about the archers?
I increased the speed of their boats.
Oh.
Changed a lot.
Still don't get Moobot. Does it just regularly send something?
Yeah.
Say something? Ah, okay. Oh, I'm out of money on my voucher again, so I'm sending you another airdrop.
So you can send messages if you just write in chat. Not in a whisper chat at the moment, but just by typing in chat after you have a monster active on the field. Let's dump.
Yeah, I received a voucher from myself, so... That was actually expensive, 72 Satoshi.
It's almost a cent.
Yeah, but they're way too strong. Wave power isn't sufficient.
So, balance changes. What wave was I? About 15? But my build sucked. I think pure agility. Shitty. Start with Or do we want to try to remove the wave AI maybe? How does it work?
Yeah, let's try. You've suggested it a couple of times. You can also show the connectivity of the Lightning node.
Of our
Hmm?
the Donner node.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm?
how cool our node is, or
No, I mean our LN status tool on the Donner node itself.
if
Okay.
right now with just let's try it without the AI. Stats saved. One second. Just balancing a little bit.
What are you balancing? Yo, Caralamo. I don't think command is work right now. You have to wait until he starts playing. But he's balancing right now. Beer?
Yep. Let's try it. SHP.
Sorry, bro. Just begs.
Yeah, I don't know how it works without AI. So without AI, I will just get villagers. So now it will be user viewer.
There's with
Could be a bug.
What's the bug?
Oh, wave is selected, you cannot send you. So
Ooh, 5 elite villagers. Scary.
now know who Tess and LN player is.
Mr. Block. Damn it. Yeah, the latency sucks a bit if you want to type and use the in-game chat. You're doing good this time.
Ah, now it's easy without feeling. Oops. Send tank. Yeah, that's way too easy.
Oodle.
Holy shit. So I need to coordinate more as viewers. All suck pretty hard.
Let's see if that works. The Falcons are super weak. What a scam.
Especially, why do you keep sending villagers, guys?
Feels good, man.
That's how it's done.
Yeah, archers are pretty good now. Oh, vouchers empty. Let's drop a few new vouchers.
And I know how we can improve the dogs, the hounds. Get too easy to kite. What are they? We increase their life.
Yeah, I think it would make a big difference if they would just keep a distance from each other.
Okay, I see what you mean. Herding is too easy.
Dude, I'm never selected for vouchers. I have to buy 3 rounds of vouchers until I get them.
Not your keys, not your coins, guys, remember.
I don't get my vouchers. I've paid for 5 rounds of vouchers and I never received a one. I hope you received vouchers. A Bcash mob that costs the most satoshis but dies instantly. Yeah, that would be a big scam.
Send Bcash. Okay. Should be back soon enough.
I still think that strength is a little bit overpowered and that it gives you too much health too fast. Okay.
Let's see if we can crash the game. It's starting to slow down now.
Yes, we need a page for the stream, the chat, and the voucher site visible at once. That's definitely true.
By sending 5 hero archers now.
Sure, but I don't have any vouchers anymore. Out of vouchers. Okay.
What type of LN user are you? Can you just send like a man? So who here in chat is sending with their own LN node, not with vouchers? There's anyone?
LND node, yeah.
Nice.
I'm using vouchers and Sea Lightning.
Yeah, now they... Shit. Ugh. This will be an easy wave. So the bester at the moment is BR Robin. So
Danino, what would you like to see in the Minecraft Lightning integration? Have you tried it out? I mean, it works right now. And the Lightning server is running. It's Minecraft server, minecraft.donnerland.com.
maybe we should do a Minecraft stream next week.
Yeah.
Pretty fun. Would be
That
up for
sounds fun.
that. I think with vouchers, could it work?
Yeah, remember the problem was that Lightning invoices are pretty large nowadays because they include the routing hint. So that was one of the main issues, I think. But it still works. It should be live.
But it doesn't work at the moment. I tried it last week. For some reason, the invoices doesn't get sent out.
Do you maybe have to reboot it if you reboot LND or something? Restart it? Should I restart it? Let me quickly restart it.
Okay, now I'm dropping frames.
I thought you wanted to make it harder, not easier.
Yeah. Let me have. Oh no, okay, now it's almost unplayable.
Restart Minecraft. So now it's restarted. Maybe it works now. But I guess next week we will try out. Failed to connect to server. That shouldn't happen. Let's see.
Holy shit. It's laggy now. Yeah, maybe for next week we have our... Or what would you guys want to see for next week? Like your own website for requesting groups would be pretty nice. But I don't know if that is feasible for next week. Let me have a look at Minecraft.
So
Yeah, next week.
the
Lightning
port
Minecraft.
should be
Dunino,
25565.
the problem right now is that it runs on 12.2. So you need to set up a profile. It's German. Sucks. Switch the language. It's not United States. So you need to create a new version with 12.2. Yeah, Robin, that's feasible for me, but I don't know if that is feasible for other streamers to expect. So I want to create a web service which the streamer can like pull troop requests and then send out the invoices to that web services, which would forward it to you then. I think the problem I had... okay, the invoices work. So can chat try to pay for that? Or this would be pretty stupid. Home, village. Yeah. Chat, pay for this invoice. For next week, maybe we can have a bot which sends Minecraft invoices to the Twitch chat for everyone to pay.
Okay, but I guess
Oh,
everyone.
nice. It worked.
I would hope everyone in the chat has Minecraft, so we can play
Yeah.
together.
Does it work with a pirated version?
I have no idea. Is this still our old world?
Yep. So I don't know where the base is. Ah, there.
Can you teleport to your locations?
I don't know the names. And there's
Right.
no way to...
There's no way to show your teleport
No.
locations, at least right now.
I think it's... Yeah, this should work. I need a shield. Shit, creeper. Guys, quick.
Wait, I need to pull out my phone. La 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 la.
Let's chat.
Oh, okay.
It's 12.2. So just under launch options, you add a new version, call it LND or whatever, and you set the version to release 12.2. And another tip I have is under settings you open output log when the game starts, because now you can also copy the invoices from here, or maybe have a bot running that auto pays.
How do I get that? Is that just a file?
This is just a file. I don't know where its location is, but that should.
Yeah.
I think
Can
under
you
Linux
show?
it's under .minecraft home.minecraft log something.
Okay. Can you show buying and selling of items again?
Okay, it's not easy with just one user, but let's say I want to sell this pickaxe, so I want to sell this pickaxe for 50 Satoshi. I would need to create a payment request, and it should not fit. Oh no, it fits. So what I now did, I said I want to sell the pickaxe, or it was a normal axe I had, and added an invoice with it. Now I can see the current sell orders that are on the server, and I see, okay, that's my iron axe for 50 Satoshi, and if you pay this now and send me the, don't pay it with your mobile wallet, but because you need to send me the pre-image. Jonas, you have a real wallet, real LND wallet. But yeah, Robin, you can pay for it, and if you send the pre-image chat, it should work.
Sea Lightning is doing something. It's trying to pay it. Yep, it has paid something. Payment pre-image.
Ah, I'm super hyped for next week Minecraft stream.
Payment pre-image.
Okay, now that I've the payment pre-image, I want to now claim. How does it work again? Just like this? Yeah. Okay, so I just said I want to claim the X with the pre-image. Is it possible? So I think with lightning vouchers we have some cool ways of paying. So
Yeah,
for
but I
example,
guess one problem is that the node cannot pay itself.
yeah, but it would need.
For teleport at
But
least.
what you could do, so let's say, uh, plus, if you pay for this now. Okay, as a non-LND user, I can sell items for vouchers. You just need, or
Yeah, makes sense.
however, I wouldn't be able to buy Minecraft stuff with these vouchers. But you could sell items as a non-LN user with vouchers.
Yeah. But the problem, I guess, is the buyer can decode the invoice and then maybe get the voucher ID or something.
Yeah, sure, because you just claim vouchers with. So yeah, it doesn't make sense, unfortunately.
Yeah, I don't know how to fix that. Maybe Lightning Voucher needs to run on its own node, but then you need to provide liquidity on chain, etc. So that's annoying. Or you just open an issue on LND that allows you to pay
Yeah.
yourself. I think that is probably the best solution. I mean, there's no good reason not to do that. Just makes sense.
And for next week, Donnerdungeon, I want to implement viewers, or maybe in 2 weeks, viewers resurrecting. Alright, I will have a look at this. Yeah, custodial is fine for testing stuff. Yeah, but I need someone to pay me my ticket back to my private base. Then I will wrap it up.
The Monani is pretty cool. Monani. It's pretty cool. Basically like Donner Labs voucher service, maybe a little bit
More sophisticated.
more sophisticated, yeah. But I like that it has an API.
Someone to pay me. Is this?
Oh, you're
I need
waiting
to
for someone to
go back home.
pay.
The cool thing with Lightning Teleport is you can just set yourself a really private base. Here's all my shit. If anyone finds this,
Is there a way to get a list of all the commands right now? Get some help? Stream doesn't seem frozen from my side. Yeah, Robin.
What did you say? A list of all commands in.
Yeah,
It's
something like help.
help Donnercraft plugin. I mean, you could buy emeralds maybe for lightning vouchers, and then some shit like this. All right. But I think it's time to wrap it up now. So probably next week or maybe Wednesday this week was the original plan to release our alpha for Donnerdungeon. So if you're interested, you can just send me a message on Twitch or on Twitter. I will send you a Steam key later on. So at the moment you need a LND node, get it running. But I think it should work. With my hard-earned Satoshis, I don't know how many I got. I think it was in the hundreds, maybe.
Nah, I mean, from one game you got 1,000 Satoshis or something. So.
Yeah, but there was Wave AI included, right?
Oh, the Wave AI is included. You need to remove that. Yeah. It's not real Satoshi. I think.
Alright, guys. So see you next week for a special Minecraft stream. And yeah. Have a nice evening.
Bye-bye.